got this time? A piece of heavy-duty rebar. Yeah, a piece of heavy-duty rebar. About 3 foot long. The old tighten that work again. I can get 2 for 2. Oh, it almost feels like it snagged onto something. Yeah, it snagged onto something. Here we go. Here we go. 2 for 2. What do we got? Oh, whoa, what do we got? Is that an anchor? What is it? I think that might be a small anchor. Get that off of there. I think that might be a small anchor, but it's got so much growth on it. Oh, sure enough, I think it is a small anchor. So we'll get that cleaned up and see for sure. Oh, we even got a paper clip. And we got what? What is it? Hey, that used to be a bell. It's still got the jingle jangle in there. Cool. Probably a catfisher. County Sea Adventures, cleaning her up one piece at a time.